Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, graphing an integer function and finding its range for a given domain. So we have a function h, it's defined as follows for the domain given. So we have h of x equals 2x plus 1 with a domain of -2, -1, 0, and 1. So just 4 points in this function. Write the range using set notation, then graph h. So for my range, I want to make sure I'm using the set notation properly, so I want to make sure I'm in braces, and I have commas separating all of my numbers. Now the actual order, but we do want to make sure they are separated and clearly defined. I'm going to list them in the same order here for ease of use there. All right, so how do I get my range numbers? I do that by replacing one at a time each of my domain numbers in for x. So if I'm trying to find h of -2, I'm going to replace x with -2 and then simplify down. And then every number that comes out will end up being in my range. So 2 times -2 is -4 plus 1 is -3. So that'll be my first number I lift in my range. Okay. I'll do the same thing for the other numbers. So h of -1 would be 2 times -1 plus 1. So 2 times -1 is -2 plus 1, which is -1. Always love 0. It's always a good number to get to plug into something because it just drops out. So 2 times 0 is 0. I don't need to add it to anything, so 1. And last but not least, h of +1, the last number in my domain there, 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. Close the brace, and that is my range, which is the first part of my answer. The second part is they want me to graph it. Note, and these are disjoint. There's nothing connecting them together. It's just 4 points. So I'm just going to graph those 4 points, not try to connect them afterwards or anything like that. So my first one is, you can either look lining up here. I prefer to look here. I think it's easier to read. So my first point is -2, -3. So left 2, down 3. And then -1, -1, 0, 1, and 1, 3. So that would be my graph here of just those 4 points in the function.